LIX, the smallest and smartest 3D printing pen in the world. It is highly portable, with its small size and power cable that you can plug on any traditional USB ports. LIX is a pen, but not one of the ordinary. Having the three-dimensional ability, it enables you to doodle in the air. It has a perfect size. Just handle this small and smart pen once and notice that it fits perfectly in your hand, giving you extreme comfort and balance while you draw. Advanced technology meets beautiful design, from the sustainably aluminum body to the elegant technological core. Every detail in LIX combines beautiful engineering and meticulous craft. Some examples include accessories, decoration pieces, arts and crafts, artistic jewelry, fashion prototypes, and different forms of drawings. You can make anything out of it within just a few seconds. Essentially, LIX 3D printing pen has the similar function as of 3D printers. It melts and cools colored plastic, letting you create rigid and freestanding structures, which can be formed in any imaginable shapes. This exceptional pen is a small and smart pen that does not require paper. We are excited to share this amazing experience with you.